Well, hi Chris, many thanks for letting us into your great facility today. Please tell us a little bit about Peregrine Engineering and what you're about.
Yeah, Peregrine Manufacturing Lean Services was set up about 18 months ago. So we're a manufacturing services business covering a few different offerings from assembly work, so box build, harnessing, through to CNC workshop, which you've obviously come in to see today. We've also got up north a couple of 3-axis mills that we do our foam machining for things like flight cases and 5S drawers and so on. So yeah, we manufacturing services business that are looking to move into our own product manufacturing at some stage.
So you've only really been going sort of 18 months.
Yes.
So that's quite a young company.
It is, yes. Obviously recognise that to grow the business the way we want to grow it, then investing in people first of all, but also machinery is the way to go. Yeah.
I mean, I've had a look at some of your components. They look rather special. A lot of multi-axis, clever engineering and machining going on there. Yeah. So is that your background, or is that sort of your team's background doing that kind of work?
Well, we kind of, the majority of us originate from McLaren. So, and yes, a lot of our customers are motorsport based, but we deliberately brought in some other people from outside of motorsport, so we can look at other sectors. So we'll do the more tricky motorsport stuff during the day, and then the lights off running with other sectors.
So can you take sort of components from design level up to production level? Or
yeah, we do that quite often. Yes.
Fantastic.
And also reverse engineering. In the background you can probably see there's the heritage stuff that we do, we often just get passed apart and asked to CAD it up, and hence the 3D printer as well.
Okay, so you got 3D printing to help with that sort of the adaptive machine inside.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Okay, so we're really excited. We're going to go down and have a look at the new machine and the other machines we've got as well.
Yeah.
So if we're going to take a look.
Yeah.
Great stuff. Right, Chris, we're down in the machine shop facility now. I can see you've got some super machines around us here in the Mazak ranges. Can you just sort of run through the machines you have?
Just behind over there we've got the CV500, the mill, 5-axis milling machine, which is what we obviously first put your...
That's the 5-axis milling.
Yes, and then the QC250, so these are the two machines that we started with 17 months ago.
Right.
And then the recent addition at the end of last year is the i300, which we kind of, not only from a capacity perspective, but the capabilities perspective as well, we kind of were forced to move on to, just because of the type of products that we were being asked to make.
Right, I was going to say, super machines, a lot of investment going forward, and you mentioned automation as well.
Yes, so we've just invested in a robot which is being fitted in about 2 months' time.
That's exciting times.
Yeah.
I can see the facility is lovely and clean. We talk about sustainability a lot at Wogaard, and it's great that you've taken on the coolant savers on your machines. Can you tell us a little bit about sustainability with yourselves and the sort of oil saving and what you're looking at?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure on the exact numbers of what we've saved, but we put the system on the CV500 several months ago now, and I've been looking at it with a view to introducing it to the other machines if it was successful, and it's absolutely the right decision. I mean, you can just tell from when the guys are emptying the wheelbarrows into the swarf bins, less contaminated swarf, less messy operation, but obviously it's taking your expensive coolant back into the machine. So.
I think that's ever so important these days, as we're talking about with oil disposal environment. It's great that you're thinking about these side as well, and the coolant saver, nice simple device but very effective.
Yeah, absolutely.
Good. Chris, many thanks for today. It's great to visit your facility. Great to see you so busy and your further investment plans. And thank you for using the coolant saver.
No problem. Thank you.